dealing with any kind of project, you need jars or not? Yes, you know.
Yes.
Like when you do JDBC programming, that time you have used jars or not? MySQL jar, remember?
Yeah.
Yes.
So Asma, my question to you is, from where you got the jar?
From the internet, we downloaded
Internet.
it. Yeah.
You downloaded it manually, but Maven says, hey, don't waste your time. Why? Maven says, I can download jar for you. You just give me the name. Tell me which one is the better approach, Ashima? Downloading it manually from here and there, or just informing to the Maven?
Informing to the Maven.
Yeah, just inform to the Maven. Hey Maven, I need this jar for this project. When you say yes, boss, I will download for you. Oh, that's great. Nice, right?
Yeah.
So Maven is a project building tool which can download required jar for the project. Let me write this much. Maven can download what jar needed for the project. Oh my God, right? So today onwards, we are not going to take any tension. For what purpose? Downloading the jar. We know don't need it. Clear? So think your question may be Maven. Maven, we need to install on our computer. Or it is there already. I would say
So
Maven already comes as a plugin. What? Maven come as a plugin, right? With Eclipse. So no need to download and install it. Are you following me? So Eclipse as a Maven plugin. Got my point?
Yeah.
So what is it? If you have Eclipse, so Maven is there already in the plugin. Ashma, earlier when we were working in 2009 and all, that time Maven was not coming with Eclipse by default. We were installing it manually, right? But if you open your Eclipse, I can show you, Maven is there or not, right? It is there. So what I can do is I can show you I can show you a web project with Maven support. So you tell me how many type of project you can make? Project type, any guess?
Java
Normally we have
project.
to.
No,
Yeah, you're
Java.
right. Java project and web project. No?
Yeah.
That's it. Java project and Java web project. Java project is a desktop application, main, right? And this is web project, which you can run on
Web
Tomcat.
browser. Yeah.
Yeah, browser. That's okay. You are saying in order to publish it, deploy it, you need Tomcat, but to access it, we need browser. Right? See, so far you have created a Java project and web project, but in both the cases you haven't used Maven, right? But I will show you today how to create a Java web project with Maven support. So tell me, we are going to create a normal web project or a web project with Maven support? Any guess?
I guess Maven project.
Yeah, Maven project. That's correct. Web project with Maven support. That is called Maven project. Maven web project. Hey, everybody has to learn to today, okay? If I say, hey, can you create a Maven web project? You can say, yeah, we can. Ready?
Yes.
sure.
I hope you guys are not getting bored. Let me know, right? Hmm?
Yeah, sure.
So it's done. This is my Eclipse. You see, I'm going to create, you have to follow me, right? And everybody has to follow me blindly in the beginning. Why? Because there may be many ways to do the same thing on the internet. If you follow my instructions, you will easily can do it with minimal problem. Hmm? Hmm. Okay, so agenda is clear. What I'm going to teach you today, I'm going to teach you today. Hello JSP. You guys, I know you guys know already, right? Yep. But you have done without Maven. I'm going to do with Maven. Maven, that is the only difference. How? Right click on that. New. Ashima. how you were doing earlier, new, dynamic, something, other,
Yes, dynamic web project.
dynamic. Now onwards, we are not going to do the dynamic. We are going to say web, not web, Maven. Hmm. What we did, guys?
Maven project.
Maven project. I will tell you what is the meaning of Maven module. We'll use these two options, either Maven module or Maven project. So today, Maven project. Click on the next button. Now I'm telling you, there may be variety of way to create it, right? Just follow my instructions. You will get the minimal problem. So back, next, back. Here I'm doing again new, other. You have to type Maven. Then you need to go inside Maven project. Next. Here on this screen, you have to use this option. You select it. Create a simple project. Skip archetype selection. Hmm? Next. Asim, are you following me what I'm doing?
Yes.
So select this, check it, and next. Here group ID. Group ID is your package name. You know package? Package is basically container for the classes, which is used to organize the classes, right? Because when you are developing a project, there may be thousands of classes. You know package very well, right?
Yes.
Yeah, package is normal thing, right? We use package concept in our daily life also. On your computer, you make a lot of directory folders. Why? So that you can organize the data. Make sense? Same concept we have for package in Java. Hmm? Yep. So my package name is com.test. Artifact ID is the project name. Ashma, what project name you want to give? Don't know. No. I'm going to give my project name is laptop store. It's okay. Where I can maintain my laptop data. Hmm? This is my project name and this is package name. Version. Every project has a version. I don't know. Do you have idea about versioning? Why we should do versioning of the projects?
No.
Yeah, version, mobile phone. In mobile phone, we have different versions or not?
Yes.
iPhone 10, 11, you know? No, no. Why? Because using version, you can control features, right? Every version has different features. You know that. Hmm? Similarly, your project may have different features, so you can have version. By default, you take this version, then packaging. Oh my God. I need to ask one question before jar and war. Do you guys know about jar and war? Who will tell me what is a jar and what is the war?
I guess jar contains the dependencies that are needed to run a certain application, but I don't know about the what.
Okay. Mm, what is jar? Can you come again?
Sorry.
Yeah, Ashma, you tell me what is the jar? What you said? Jar is?
Like it contains, I guess, a lot of Java class files or dependencies that we might
Mm,
need it to run certain applications.
yeah. Actually, when you develop some project, there may be a lot of classes. So if you want to give that classes to somebody else, you can give the classes as it is, right? But that is not good practice. You can make a bundle of it, right? So jar is what? Hmm? Jar
Java
is
class file.
bundle of class file. Bundle of classes. Make sense?
Yes.
Hey, why you make a jar? Asma, very simple thing. In your project, you may have 20 packages and thousands of classes. So do you think you will give 20 packages, thousand of classes separately? Does not make sense. You can make a bundle of it, jar file. You know zip file?
Yeah.
Why you make a zip file?
It's
Because you want to make a bundle of it, right? You have to send 20 things to somebody else. If you send 20 things separately, it is time consuming job. What you can do? You can make a bundle and you can send in one shot. Am I right? Similarly, if you have thousands of classes and you want to make a bundle of it, What you will do for classes, we make a bundle. That bundle is called jar file. So zip is a bundle of anything. Ashma, answer my question. What is it? zip is a bundle of
Anything, any file.
bundle of any type of file. Clear? But what about jar?
It's a bundle of Java class files.
Java class file, not source code. It is a bundle of Java classes only. Anybody have any question, query?
I think
Noodles?
somebody needs to go on mute because it's so disturbing.
Okay. Let me check it. Normally, what happened in my session, people join the session after they started to cook Maggie. I have seen it many times. Wait a second. Who is this? It is coming from my mic. Give me a second. Hmm. Surprise. You guys are getting any background noise or only I'm getting? I don't know. It's coming from because of my mic. I think every other people are muted. Everybody is muted. Now it's better. Hmm? Hello?
Yeah, now it's good.
Now it is good. So bundle of Java classes only. What is a war? Who will tell me what is the war file? You guys reply. When you make a project in Java, you have classes. You make a you normally make a jar file of it, right? But for web project, you know web project which can run on with GSP servlet container. So if you have web project and you want to make a bundle of it, then web project bundle is called
Web application resources.
yeah. Web project bundle is called war file. So when you make a bundle of web project, it is called war. Suppose your project is Node, you know. So your project is Node, you can make a Node war file. War means it is a bundle of web project. Jar is a means it is bundle of Java classes. Anybody have any question query? No. WAR stand for Web Archive. Dot WAR means Web Archive. And JAR stand for Java Archive. Java Archive. And POM stand for Project Object Model. We'll talk about POM in much detail soon. Project Object Model. Hmm? Anybody have any question query? No. No question query. That's fine. So in this, what I should select? Asma, can you guide me? I should select jar or what? Because we are getting web project.
I I think jar file.
Jar file you create for.
I think we need WAR file.
War. I'm not really sure on this one.
Give me a second. Okay. Like here for web project, you should select var. For desktop project or standalone project, you should select jar. So I'm going to select here var. Why? Because we are going to create Ashma web
Wait,
project
project.
with Maven, Maven web project. Yeah, let's try. Hey, we lost the track or what? Shall I create this again from the scratch or you understand? Let me do again.
I
New,
think we're good.
other, not take
Yeah,
this
Present.
time.
we're
Not
good.
the majority, but
Maven project. This next com dot test. The project, my project name was laptop web store. Here we can choose war. Then you can click on the finish button. Which button? Finish. When you click on the finish button, it's creating, everybody has to do this much. Okay, that's fine. Let me do first. After that, you can try. Where is my project? This one. Guys, I'd like to explain you everything about it. You see, normal web project structure and Maven web project structure, both are same or different? That's my question. Nobody's replying.
it's a little different.
It is little different. And I'm telling you, this is Maven folder structure for web project. And Maven folder structure for web project Asma, it is always same. What? Maven web project structure. Maven web project structure. Oh, as per the Maven convention, you should keep your Java file inside src main Java. Watch file? Java source code. Java file. You know Java file? File with .java extension. What you should keep inside src main resources? When src main resources, you can keep XML file, property file, YAML file. I'll tell you what YAML file is. XML file, property file, YAML file, config file, etc. And anybody heard about test cases? You guys are not replying. You have to say yes or no. So Java test classes and SRC test resources. We can keep same thing, right? But in this, you keep your property file, YAML file, which is involved in test cases. Files which are involved in test cases. In this web app folder, you can keep your web resources. Asma, you understand the web resources?
I'm not sure.
Like HTML, you know,
Okay.
CSS, image, JS file, you know, right? JSPs, etc. Yep,
Yeah.
nice. So and what about target? In target, we keep a target contains compiled resource. It contains compiled resources, right? So after compilation of resources, everything will come inside target. POM. POM is basically hurt our main input for the Tomcat. Sorry, I'm very sorry about it. POM.xml is an input for Maven. Maven take input from where?
Pom.xml.
input file for Maven. If I say, hey, I want to do something with Maven, you can say again, do in pom.xml file. POM stand for Project Object Model, POM. Is all these notes is for you. I'll share with you. Project Object Model. Anybody have any question, query so far? Any confusion? Anything?
Not
So far,
really.
we're good.
Good. Oh my God. Nice. So, as I said, pom.xml file is the main file for Maven. So, for this web project with Maven, I say, hey, hey, web project, I want to use Java 8. So you can use Java 8 or Java 11. Both are the stable version, right? The choice is in your hand. Either you use Java 8 or Java 11. Clear? Somebody may have Java 14, right? Hello, we are not going to do anything with Java 14. So we should Java 8 or 11 is enough. So it is up to you. So if you want to use Java 11, so you have to open the pom.xml file. You see, Ashma, I double click over here. Then you have to choose this tab, pom.xml tab. Can you see this?
Yeah.
Like all these things we have to do manually and smartly. This is the XML file, and this is the version of the Maven model, and this is the package name, group ID. This is the project name, and this is the version of the project and packaging. This project is for packaging war means it is web project. Like here, if you want to use Java 11 or Java 8, it is up to you which version you want to use. No? Like I want to use Java 8, so I can use Maven plugin. You see the way I'm doing. Maven plugin Java 8. You can use Java 11 also. I'm using 8. Make sense? If I want to use 8, what this website says, I should add this property. Nah? This property I am pasting over here. Ashma, you got my point?
Yes.
Yeah. When you add this property, so after adding this property, you right click on the project. Asma, this thing we have to do once always. Then you can, when you do change in Maven, go to the project, right click and go to the Maven, and here you click on the update project. Got my point? And click on this. When you do it, you will see your, earlier it was 1.5, now it becomes 1.8 because of it. You got a point?
Yes.
Like when you create a earlier web project, this folder name was web content. Now this folder name becomes web app, right? Confused? No, no. Earlier, without Maven, if you see the project, that folder structure was web content. Now, as per the Maven, it is web app. Inside web app, inside web content, which folder we have, Ashma? Remember, there was a folder that was called web-inf.
Yeah.
So you can create a folder web-inf inside it. It's fine manually. Actually, this plugin does not create, so you can create them manually like this. It's okay. And inside web-inf, we should have a file that is called deployment descriptor web.xml file. So what you can do, this web.xml file, you can make it. How? Web.xml file. It's okay with you?
Yeah.
Yep. When you created this web.xml file, this error is gone. One error was coming. So you got this many steps. My project is ready. In this web.xml file, you can go to the other web project and copy header and footer from there. It's okay, right? Hashima, I can copy this header, right, from this, and I can do it, right? Yep. Hello. and just close it. Web app tag. Now my project is ready. Anybody have any question, query? And I'm telling you, don't think, we are doing all those things. It is nothing. It is all about which you have to do only once, right? Like there are two things. This is a car, right? So you have two options. Either you can, drive the car as a normal user, or you are mechanics. So here we are not a driver, we are mechanics for this car. What do you think?
That's cool.
Who is more knowledgeable, mechanics or normal user?
Mechanic.
Yeah, no, mechanics. Because somebody saying, hey, mechanics cannot drive the car. This means he's kidding, right? Like a mechanic can do anything, right? Yep, that's great. So this is all about project creation. If I want to make a GSP, could you please anybody help me to create a GSP? Yep. Right click on the web app. New
INF.
GSP.
Yeah.
Yep. Not inside the web INF, outside the web INF, right? If you create anything inside the web INF, that is private scope. You can't access it. I'm creating index.jsps. Okay. Yep. And here I would say hello. This is hello H1. You help me. Hello. This is my first page. Yep. You see, when you make a GSP, I don't know you come across this problem or not. Ashma, it is showing error. You read JavaX servlet HTTP servlet was not found on the build path. This error always will come, and for this problem we have ready-made solution. Yep. Hey, what error is? And
Servlet shortage.
yeah, this error is JavaX servlet HTTP. This error you can fix it, but I'm telling you, if you run your project, still it will run even though error is coming. Anybody can tell me why? Error is coming. I'm running it, and you see my project will still run. Interesting. Your question may be, if error is coming, then how it is running?
Exception handling. I don't know.
Reason is actually this error is coming because of jar. This jar is not inside your project class path, but this jar is present in the Tomcat. So as long as your file is inside your project, it is not running because that jar is not in your project, Ashma. But when you run it, Tomcat already has jar of it. Got it? That's why it's running. If you want to fix this error, you see my solution. You right click on that property. You can go to the build path, and here you can go and click on add library. You see, and here you can choose server runtime and choose your Tomcat. Finish, apply, and okay. Error will gone. See. So guys, this is how I have created a web project with Maven. Hello. You want to download jar? Asma, you say, hey, I want to download MySQL connector. If you want to download MySQL connector, here you have to write only dependency. Dependencies means inside that you can write the name of the jar. So which jar you want to download, Ashma? MySQL connector, JDBC. So here you have to just type MySQL dependency Maven. You see, when you do it, it will show you the jar of all the version. I'm going to use this dependency 8 dot. You see, copy, and that you can paste inside dependencies. One dependency means one jar, Ashma. Huh?
Okay.
So when I save it, you can see this jar will be downloaded here. You want to see? See, magic. I just put it over here, and you see in the Maven dependency earlier it was not. It just came the moment somebody saying no, I don't trust on you. Can you show me some other dependency? Yeah, let me show you. You guys are not replying. Suppose I want to download Spring 5.x Maven dependency, right? What I need to do? I need to just put it here. Ashma, you see the magic? I paste the jar and save it. And you see, here it will download many jar altogether. What happened?
I downloaded.
It's downloaded. That's cool or not?
Yeah.
That's too cool. Today onwards, we are not going to bother about. Nobody will cry with jar. Hey, I don't have jar in my pocket.
I have a question, sir.
Please, most welcome. Questions?
Since we are working on a Maven project, which is, as you said, mostly focused on the web programming, why are we downloading jar files instead of WAR files in .xml file?
Yeah, that's good question. Actually, normally when you do project development, you need jar. That's why you are downloading jar. But once your project is ready, everything is tested, right? You want to deliver to the end user and client, then you make the WAR. So WAR is always, let me tell you as a layman, right? Hello?
Yes, sir. Understand.
Like developing a project is like cooking pizza, right? In
Okay.
pizza shop. But when you want to deliver it, you do packaging or not?
Yes.
So what is just packaging? If you once your project is developed and you want to deliver it, you will make a package of it, war of it, right? But as long as you are
Okay.
developing it, what you need as a gradient? Jar. So jar is a component of it, right? So can I say
Yes, sir.
war contains jar? And you tell me, war contains jar. Is it right? Yep. Yep.
Yeah.
Because when you make a war, all the jar will be bundled inside it. So jar war contains jar, JSPs, classes, and all the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, images, etc. Mhm.
Yeah, yes, sir. Thank you.
So I hope you understand. I don't need this Spring dependency, Anushka. Sorry, I'm sorry, not Anushka. She's another batch. So you know what I did when I deleted this and save it, and you see this. Oh, again it is gone. Hello.
Yes.
You see the magic? When you delete it, automatically it's gone from there. When you add it, automatically it comes as a magic. So you need internet for this, right? Somebody is saying, hey, yesterday I was working with the Maven and my jar was not getting downloaded. Why? He,
No
he
internet?
doesn't. He does not have internet. That's why. Without internet, do you think this jar will come?
I guess no.
No, of course not. There will be no magic. Hmm. It's done. I hope you understand a little bit about Maven. Hmm? Done.
Yes, sir.
So how did you integrate the 1.8 Java? I mean,
Nothing.
Maven
In my
compliant.
in my Maven, you have to just add this property. That's it. You see the tag, guys? This property is all about Asma. What this property is? It ensures not applying. Ensures that we are using which version of the JDK?
8.
Java 8. And one dependency means one jar. One dependency tag means one jar. Make sense?
Yes.
One dependency tag means one jar. Done. Cool. I need your help. Hmm? Okay. Anybody have idea about Bootstrap?
Barely.
Yes, a little bit.
Okay, that's cool. So in my whole discussion, actually I'm fan of Bootstrap. So everywhere I'm going to use Bootstrap. That's fine. Now, what my plan is, because you know the thing, right? I know you know the thing, but from tomorrow I'm going to start Spring. I will tell you what the Spring is. So today I'm going to show you making a form with Bootstrap. So have you created your form using Bootstrap? I don't know. Let me try. Hmm? I'm going to make a form. New, please help me. JSP file. I can make HTML also, but JSP is a dynamic, right? So who is more powerful, HTML or JSP?
JSP.
JSP. JSP eventually creates HTML, but a JSP creates a dynamic HTML. HTML is static, but JSP makes your HTML
Dynamic.
dynamic. So here I'm going to make a sign up SINGN sign up.jsp. I need your help. Anushka, in this I want to Bootstrap is a basically a ready-made framework of CSS, hmm, CSS,
Yes, sir.
JavaScript, right? Bootstrap is a ready-made framework of CSS and JavaScript, which makes look and feel of your application very fancy. Let me show you. Anushka, sorry, I have two choices. Either I can make my CSS and JavaScript right myself, but it will take time. We don't have time. So I'm going to take a help from which framework? Bootstrap. Bootstrap says I have, ready-made CSS and JavaScript you can use in your project to make your project look and feel very consistent and very nice. So I'm going to use which version of the Bootstrap? Any guess? 4.x. 4.x is the latest version of it. Hmm? So how to use Bootstrap in the project? I'm going to Google it. You see, one thing is very common. I'm going to Bootstrap 5. I don't know. I'm going to use this 4. Mhm. So you can use from W3 school or you can use any website. It is up to you. I need to use, this. So you see, Ashima, you see this?
Yes.
If you want to use Bootstrap, you have to copy this much blindly, all the library in the head tag. How? Like this. Confused? No. What I did?
Copied the
Uh,
libraries.
yeah, I copied this library, blindly. So meta, why it's showing? uh, I don't know. Like here, I want to tell, I understand why it's showing. Because HTML5, agar if you have HTML5, your dog type will be this, Anushka. Sorry, Ashma, it is very big, right? If you want to make HTML5, what you have to do? You have to just add this much. This is what you are not deploying. This ensure
HTML5.
we are using HTML5. Now everything is fine. So I can show you, form design with Bootstrap and without Bootstrap. Actually, in Bootstrap, we have a tag that is called header. Header is basically used to define heading. So let me run it. People, you have to understand all this thing and let me know. You have to just ask questions. So normally people says I am moving very fast. Let me know if that is happening. Hmm? It is blank blank. Why?
Because we
Because we
don't have
don't have
anything.
any. We don't have anything. Then header. Header is the HTML5 tag, and you can give style. Style is basically used to give look and feel to this component, right? And in HTML, this is called object. And as you know from core Java, every object has an attribute. Header is an object, and a style is one of the attribute of it. So you can give the height over here. Height you can make it 30 px, right? And if you want to see how it looks like, you can give some background color. Background color you can give anything, right? Like this. If I refresh it, what happened? You see?
Yeah.
Hello. This is right. This is this header. This component is coming from Bootstrap or HTML5. Answer is this is HTML5 component. Mhm.
Yes, sir.
Got it. We, you are most welcome. You can write anything. From tomorrow we'll start spring. I said. Oh, like another thing is, division. Division is basically used to what? mark your portion, right? So this is a division. Division means you are going to identify a portion. And like here, let me show you something. You can again give the style, hey division, your height would be 200 px, right? And you can give some background color. Why? So that you can see where this area is. Make sense? You're not replying. You see this whole area. Ashma, you got a point?
Yes.
You said I need an area, which height is this much and background color is this much. But here, actually, you can apply CSS in, this is called applying look and feel, CSS, cascade style sheet. Cascade style sheet you can apply on this component using style or using class also. Ashma. Style is basically used to apply inline CSS. CSS means you are creating CSS on the fly, but class is used to apply inbuilt CSS. So in Bootstrap, Ashna, it is important in Bootstrap in this mean.js file, sorry, in mean.css file, in this file we have a CSS that is called container. You got my point? Container is what? CSS. Ashna,
Okay,
what
yeah.
happened?
Isn't the
I'm
class
applying.
name in one of the bootstrap?
Yeah, actually, class means you want to use external CSS. Style means you want to apply CSS on the fly.
Okay.
Now question is, if this is CSS, where its definition is? Its definition is present inside this CSS file. You got a point?
Yes.
And what container class CSS is doing? It would, predefine the size of this division tag. If I refresh it, you see, oh, what container is saying? Container is saying, hey division, you can take only 1170 pixels. What is the width of it? You're not replying. I said 1170 1170 pixel.
Yes.
Confused?
No.
It is up to you. So there's some time in project you want to occupy entire area or you want to occupy the portion of it. I hope I'm making myself clear. So if you want to change the color of it, you know how? Right click on that, you inspect it. Asma. After that, you change your color here. You click it and you can put color of. Here you can put color of what? Your choice. You got the idea? You guys got confused.
I guess we are.
Yeah. So I'm able to do it. Done. Now I'm going to take some photo. So you have to help me. You see, I have this much photo over here. Can I copy this image folder? Copy paste.
Yeah.
Select the folder, Control C, and here you can paste it. I'm able to get many images. So if allowed to me, I'm going to put a photo. You know how to put the photo? You have to use image tag, src, and folder name and file name. Which image I'm interested for? Student.png. Asma, I hope, right?
Yes.
Using this object, using this attribute, I am able to apply one photo over here. No? Of this photo, height is, I think a lot. So how you can reduce the height of it using which tag? Style, right? And here you can mention, I'm interested in only image of 200 px. Confused? No, Anna? You just make it 300, like whatever you want to make, I don't care. Then I don't know you guys are following me or not.
Following.
Following. So I want to make a form. You know how to make a form? Yep, form. No?
Sometimes.
Yep. So form is a tag, and here you can use action. Action is what? Name of the GSP or servlet. So I want to make a servlet, which name will be sign up. And method is post. You tell me what is different between get and post.
Get is Post is more secure than Git.
What do
And
you mean by that? I don't think so.
when I guess when you like enter some values in the form and you're using post method, the values that you enter will not get will not appear on the what is called the
Query
website.
string.
The search. Yeah,
Query string.
yeah. It will not get. It will not be visible if you use the post. So it's,
Okay.
I guess.
Post is secure in terms of its data is not visible, but in Git, the data is visible in the query string. That's one difference. Other difference?
And Git is used to fetch the data, and post is used to post the data. I guess.
That is also correct. Any other reason? Which one is more faster?
Faster?
Hmm. Git or post?
I'm not sure.
Git is faster because Git in Git, we don't have body. You have limited. You send limited data, right? That is another limitation. In Git, you can send only limited data. In Post, you can send unlimited data, right? You can upload the file, PDF, all that. But in Git, you can't. Hmm?
Okay.
Git URL can be bookmarked. Bookmark? You can bookmark the URL, right? So that you can next time you can access it. You can only do with Git. You can't do with Post. Git is idempotent. Post is not idempotent. Idempotent means ID. So we'll talk about it. Not right now. Hmm? Hello. I want to use Bootstrap form. Why? You guys are not replying. Bootstrap form to make it beautiful.
Okay.
Hello. You see? But here we have. I want to use this style. I need your help. So like, this is the Bootstrap code. Saima. You see what I want to do? Here I want to take the name of the people. It is okay. Name. So the due class, division class, and this is coming from Bootstrap. I'll tell you what is the use of it, right? You use CSS, label, sometime if you want to apply validation, then this is just a tag. Okay, so here, I want to make a input type class. Like you delete it first, and when I keep it, then you can see ID. ID is not required. You can give the name. Name means Ashma. It is the name of the box. You know it, right? Type means this box can take only email value. So let me run it and show you this much. If you don't understand, let me know. You see this this text field is looking beautiful or very bad?
It's bad.
Bad. I want to listen bad. Like here you can use hey bootstrap. Can you make it beautiful? Bootstrap is saying use class. This and use here form control. Form control is defined where Ashma? It is defined inside bootstrap control, right? So and now you have refresh and see the beauty of it. Wow. No? Hello? Who make this much beautiful to it?
Bootstrap.
Bootstrap. You got it? Yep.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And what end? Babe, if you want, horizontal HR, you want to put a HR horizontal line between photo and this. No? That's fine. So name is there. Hmm? And what? If you want to, and decrease the size of the here, I want to put another block. What you want to take else? This is name. I'm sorry. So you can make it text and name. Next, what you want to take? Email. So you see how it looks like? It is coming after because of what division and this class. No? This is looking beautiful because of what?
Form control. Bootstrap.
Because of Bootstrap. Thank you. Thank you to Bootstrap. For mobile, you can take a number. It is mobile. And here you can take mobile. Now for basically, this is used for validation purpose. If you apply the validation, then this for will come in the picture. What else we can take? We can take, gender, male, female, and here gender And here you can take here I want to take a choice. For choice we have select. In select you can give different option and gender. Confused? No confused. Select. And here you can use option. Male, female. You can refresh it. No? Yep. Email, mobile, gender. It's just okay, right?
Yeah.
This much is enough. So you want to take button? Yep. I don't know. Have you designed this kind of form or not? If not, you see, right? I'm going to use button. You see? Oh my God, very beautiful button I have. I'm going to take this button. Which button? Primary button. And button you make submit. Why? If you make your button submit, when you click on this button, your form will be submitted to the server. So I don't know. You guys see? Do you think I'm doing great job? No, at all. No? So everything is there. Here you can have two button. One button you can make. Clear button. When you click on the clear button, you want your form data should be clear, right? So what you can use? Reset. Button type reset. You know meaning of it? Hello. If you
Yeah.
fill this data and you click on the clear button, it is clear because of this class button and button primary. We have other color also. You can use danger. Danger means it will look like a red button. People, my form is ready. So what we need to do? We need to save this data in database. So I'm giving this as an assignment to you. So Saima, what we need to do? You tell me what we are supposed to do in this. I want you
Save the
guys should save
information in
data in
database.
database, and if possible, you can show it. This is the assignment. So today I am just giving you the very high level overview, right? What Maven is and little bit, right? So today, what I have taught you, answer is nothing. Clear? Today, this is just a hello hi session. From tomorrow, I'm going to start Spring. That's fine.
Yes.
So my approach of teaching is I'm going to make a small project. In that project, we'll apply all the concept of Spring. Right? So anybody have any question, query? I just want to know whatever I have taught you, do you understand, or it was very fast, or whatever you want to say, please let me know.
It was good, but you were a little fast, I guess.
Fast? Okay.
Yeah.
That's good. Actually, always I got this feedback. Okay. So it's okay. That's fine. I'll improve it. Okay. I'll slow down my speed.
I think it's gonna be a little hard if we try to follow you while you are teaching.
No, no.
You're that fast.
When I
So
when I teach, you just watch it, right? Simply
yeah.
what I'm doing, right? Because my other trainer will come and you can spend time with him and he can help you with the practice. But your concern may be whenever I'm teaching you, ask questions, right? Ask questions. If you ask question, automatically my speed will be slow down. That's fine.
Yeah.
So I don't know, whatever main thing is, whatever I have taught you, that thing you understand or not.
Yes.
That's okay. Anybody else? Anybody have any concern or anything, please? Anyway, it is my first session. I think after a couple of sessions, you guys will be comfortable. Fine. You will come to my pace automatically.
Yeah. Will we be using BootStrap throughout this session, or will we learn how to actually make custom CSS and JavaScript?
No. We are going to use Bootstrap, but we will design our own also, right? We should know both. Clear?
Okay. Thank you.
We can do it. If you know how to use it, then you can design it also. Not a big deal. Because many times, Bootstrap will not solve your purpose, right?
Yeah.
Then you can immediately, you see, right? This is your custom CSS, right? And yeah, this is called inline. You can make you can define in external CSS also. So whenever we need, sometime we can make it. Fine. So answer is we will be using Bootstrap plus we'll design our own both.
Okay.
Any question, query anybody has for me?
No.
No, in 2 or 3 session, we are going to be free early, but not always. Okay. Once my session is done, I will teach you 60 minutes. In 60 minutes, my session will be enough for you. After that, you'll do practice with us for next 2 hours. That's fine. Reason is, if you have any problem, anything, you can discuss with us. Fine. So
Yes.
what I said, Ashma, whatever I have done, you have to do yourself also, here itself. 20-30% you will do here and rest of the thing you can do at your home.
Yeah.
So whatever diagram I created, notes and everything, you will get it. I'll not share with Drive as well as I'll post in a group also.
Okay.
Any question, query anybody has? No, no at all. Look here, your question may be, Nagendra, I should refer any book or any tutorial, any material. I would say no, don't do anything. Whatever I'm doing, you just do it, right? In this, some people are, already know about me, so they know my speed, okay, and all. And I'm telling you, I'm going to teach you a lot in this. You got a point?
Yes.
So if you can run with me, with my pace, my speed, honestly, I'm telling you, after the session, you don't need anything else. Because we are going to cover almost everything, whatever you need as a Java developer. Okay, so in last, you guys can give me your brief introduction, one by one. How many
Just
people are
name?
here? Name I can see. Already I've talked with you. Okay, no problem, no problem. That's good. This batch is looking good to me. Whose name is Anup?
Yes.
Introduce. You have to just tell about yourself little bit,
Okay.
Your name and what you know, what you have learned so far, and if you have any suggestion for the session or anything.
My name is Nagendra. So far, I have learned Java. I mean, whatever you have taught me so far, what Sharif has taught me so far. And then because I did not have any background on Java and stuff, I'm still